Claude just changed how we analyze real estate forever. I built a tool with Claude Code that analyzes any property using 5 AI agents running in parallel, and it's completely free. You give it an address and it pulls comparable sales, estimates fair market value, projects rental income and cash flow with every expense accounted for, analyzes the neighborhood, schools, crime, walkability, demographics, growth trends, and runs a full investment analysis across buy and hold and fix and flip scenarios, and checks local market conditions to tell you if it's a buyer's or seller's market, all at the same time. I've been running this on multiple properties and the results are absolutely incredible. So in this video, I'm going to break this down in 3 parts. First, I'm going to show you what this tool produces. I'll walk you through a full property report it generated on a real listing. Then I'm going to run it live on 2 more properties so you can see the results in real time. And then I'm going to show you step by step how to install this so you can run it on any address you want. Even if you've never used Claude Code before or have zero technical background, you can do this. All you're doing is just typing one command and following me along. And if you're new here, my name is Zubair. I've had my own AI agency for the past 2 years where I've worked with multiple businesses, and now I run a community teaching other people how to start theirs. So with that being said, let's jump right in. Now, before I show you how this works and how to install this for free, I'm going to show you what this produces because it's absolutely incredible. I ran this one command on a real property listing in the Pleasanton, California area, which is a house for $1.8 million, $1.88 million, and it generated this entire report. Again, this is kind of like on the upper end. I'm going to also run this on a cheaper house as well, so that way you can see the difference here. But for this particular one, it scored the property 56 out of 100, grade B. Signal is to hold and watch, not a buy, but let's see why. So it's 5 dimensions are scored. Neighborhood quality is 85, which is very strong. Market condition is 70, strong again. But look at the other side here. The income potential scored a 34. Investment upside is 38. Both are extremely weak. This is a property where the neighborhood is absolutely incredible, but the numbers don't work as an investment. It pulled 7 comparable sales nearby and estimated the fair market value for this house at $1.73 million. The listing price is $1.88, so that's about $144,000 overpriced. Now, cash flow projections, and this is the part that saves you from making a terrible mistake, right? So $4,800 a month in rent, but after mortgage, taxes, insurance, and everything else, you're negative $8,167 a month. That's almost $98,000 a year in losses. Neighborhood breakdown. Schools rated 100 out of 100. Crime 49% below the national average. Medium household income is $191,000. This is one of the best neighborhoods in the Bay Area. And this is very true. I actually live around this neighborhood, so I know all of these numbers actually make sense. Now, take a look at the investment analysis. It ran 3 strategies. Buy and hold and fix and flip actually failed. Now, fix and flip will lose you $197,000. The only play here is to buy and hold for appreciation over 7 to 10 years. And you need deep reserves to cover the negative cash flows, of course. And look at this. It even tells you what to offer. Suggested offer is $1.725 to $1.78 million. It's a very specific number with a full checklist of what to verify before you can make an offer. Now, this entire report was generated with one command. Now let me show you how I got this. I'm going to run this on another property that's a lot cheaper in a different neighborhood so you can see the difference here, because it does gives you all of the details you need to make a decision whether it's buying for your own use case or for, most importantly, for investment purposes. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this on a cheaper property somewhere in Austin, Texas, right? So let's go ahead and maybe choose this one, right? This 450. Actually, there you go. Let's choose this one. This one looks decent. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy the address here. And I'm going to go to my Visual Studio Code. Again, don't worry. I'm going to explain how to get here in a little bit. I'm going to show you how you can install this and how you can use Claude Code inside this. So what I'm going to do is plus the slash command. And I'm going to type real estate. So all of these commands are available for me. And again, I'm going to show you how to install these commands so you have access to this. So I'm just going to do real estate -analyze, which is kind of the flagship command. And I'm going to paste that property address. There you go. So I'm going to press enter. So now it's going to run an entire analysis on this property. The reason why it's capable of doing this is because there's a skills.md file. And for those of you who are not familiar with skills.md, skills is basically a way to give Claude Code instructions for it to do something specific. Now you can create a skills file that's very long or very short, very simple or very complicated, right? So in this particular scenario, this Real Estate Analyze has 3 phases. The first phase is going to be discovery property data via web research. So it's going to search the internet and find out all of the information about that property. The second phase is going to be launching 5 parallel agents to do analysis. Now, again, this is where kind of the magic of this comes in, right? Each agent will be responsible for something in particular. One's going to analyze the neighborhood. Another one is going to analyze the investment potential. Another one is going to do something different, right? And all of this is coming in based on, so as you can see right here, there you go. Phase 1 got completed. Phase 2 is being launched. The first agent is going to do comparable sale analysis. The second one is going to do rental income and cash flow analysis. The third one is doing neighborhood analysis. And all of this is coming in from our skills.md file. So I have this GitHub repo that kind of have all of the details about this particular real estate analyst, right? So I have all of the details here. So if I go inside this skills folder, click on real estate analyze skills.md, you can see all of that instruction is right here. Phase 1, property discovery. Phase 2, launch 5 parallel agents. Each agent has a particular task, as you can see right here. Third one is doing neighborhood analysis. Fourth one is doing investment analysis. Fifth one is going to be doing market conditions. And after all of this is done, that phase 3 is going to be synthesis and report assembly. It's going to generate and collect scores and give it a nice little report about that particular property. So let's go ahead and see what's going on now. So it's still doing local market condition analysis right now. So this is going to take a minute or so. And once it's complete, then we can run another skill, which is going to be this real estate report PDF. Same thing. If I click on this skill.md, this is basically going to generate a nice little professional PDF property report generator, just like we saw in the beginning of that Pleasanton property. So you can see all of these details are inside this skills.md file, and that's what Claude Code is just following like one by one to make sure that it's giving us exactly what we want. So now if we go back to our Visual Studio Code, so there you go. It says all 5 agents return composite score. So it gives all 5 agents got completed. It went through and did everything it had to. And now the third part is just, running the kind of report to make sure that it gives us a nice little outcome. And by the way, the results of this is going to be a markdown file. But like I mentioned before, we're going to run another command, which is that PDF generator. So that way we can see it in a nice PDF formatted, and it's very, very easily absorbable versus just kind of looking at the Visual Studio Code markdown file. So let's go ahead and give this a couple of seconds to finish. Okay, there you go. So it looks like everything got done. So now it gives you the address, it gives you the categories, it gives you the story. But again, like I said, this is kind of a little hard to read, right? Because it's just kind of on this markdown file. So if we want to now make this a nice little PDF, so all I have to do is press / command, real estate, and on the bottom, as you can see, it says real estate report PDF. I'm just going to press tab, press enter. So now it's going to go ahead and generate the PDF report for us. And by the way, as you can see, as far as the resources, it also gives you all of the resources there. So let me give it a couple of permissions here. So these are all the resources it pulled all this data from, right? So let's just wait till this finishes, and then I'm going to show you kind of the details of what it gathered, because the PDF that it generates is incredible. All right, perfect. So it looks like it finished and it generated this PDF. So let me go ahead and bring this up here. Let me make this a little bigger. All right, we can take a look at this. Okay, so it gave it the property 54 out of 100, grade C, it's a signal caution, single family resident, built in 2006, bedroom 3, 2.5 bath. Okay, so it gave it a score dashboard, value and composition is 80 out of 100. Income potential is 22 out of 100. That's really bad. Neighborhood quality is good. Investment upside is not that great, right? So it kind of gives you all of the statuses. Comparable sales analysis. It gives you all of the different properties that are around the neighborhood for the same kind of price, right? As you can see, it lists all these different properties. In the bottom, it gives you a cash flow projection, monthly and annual cash flow. So it says gross rental income could be $2,750 a month. That's $33,000 a year. Vacancy loss is 80%. It gives you effective gross income, mortgage, P&L, property taxes, insurance, all of the different metrics and numbers you need. you got the investment metrics table here. It gives you the cap rate, the cash on cash return, the gross rent multiplier, and all of the assessments as well in there. It gives you the mortgage summary, right? So it gives you all of the information that you need as far as the down payment, the loan amount, interest, and everything else. It also gives you the neighborhood analysis, the school quality, the safety, crime, the walkability, demographics, economy, growth trajectory. These are all extremely important when it comes to real estate investment analysis. So that's why it's giving you all of that information. Neighborhood is one of the most important things when it comes to real estate, obviously. So one of the agents does emphasis on that, and that's why it generates all of this report and gives you all of the information about the school quality, walkability, the demographic, the growth trajectory, right? This neighborhood looks like the growth trajectory is really good. So it also gives you the neighborhood details as far as like the factor, which is a crime index, walk score, and also the notes and the details itself, the area demographic and the trends, right? The population growth, the median age, the employment rate, all of this has a huge impact on the value of a real estate. Austin is obviously one of the most employed cities in the US, so it has a really good employment rate at 96%. And then gives you an investment analysis as far as the buy and hold, the BRRR, and the fix and flip scenarios, the appreciation projections, the scenario analysis, the bull case, the base case, the bear case, all of the information, including a nice little recommendation and risk factor, right? So it says signal investment recommendation, watch, negotiate, suggested offer 498,000 to 510, which is in the same price that they had listed, in the same range. So this is a good price range that it's giving you, and also gives you all of the information regarding that neighborhood and that house and itself. It gives you the action items before purchase. It says verify all 7 comps and MLS with the licensed Austin agent before making a formalized offer. It gives you all of the other risk factors to make sure you're aware of exactly what's going on, including the employer layoffs and everything else, right? So all of the information, again, a real estate agent will charge you thousands of dollars for this if you want to have them hired for something particular. So that's just one of the commands that you have access to. Obviously, you have access to all of these other commands that I showed earlier that we can walk through quickly. So if you don't want to do like a full analysis, if you just want to know, hey, is this I just want to know the rental income and cash flow projection for a particular real estate property. So all you have to do is run real estate rental, and it gives you all of the rental information only. If you want to know about the neighborhood, you just run a real estate neighborhood command, and it gives you all of the neighborhoods. So that way you can, if you want to look at 10 properties and you don't want to run a full analysis, you just want to look at something particular, you have these individual commands that you can run. So that's how you have access to all of these incredible things. So now let me go ahead and show you how to install this so that way you can have access to this. All right. So I'm inside my Visual Studio Code. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the Visual Studio Code is a IDE, which is a integrated development environment, which is basically a fancy way of saying having all of your files, the Claude Code and everything else, your terminal run from one cohesive environment. It's very easy to use. So you just head over to the link in the description. I'm going to put the link in the description. It's Visual Studio Code. I think it's .com or something like that. You just install it for free. Once you come here, you're going to go to the left hand side, click on the extensions. You're going to install Claude Code, because obviously we want to use Claude Code inside of our Visual Studio Code. It's a bit easier to use compared to the terminal, especially if you're not familiar with code. This is the best way to move forward. So once you install the Visual Studio Code, you'll have this little Claude Code sign in the top here. So you're just going to click on it, and it's going to open up an instance of Claude Code for you. So let me get rid of this. So now you have Claude Code installed here. So what you're going to do is on top here, you're going to click on this little button here that's going to open up the terminal. So this is going to open up the terminal. It's going to look something like this. So now I'm going to show you how you can install these skills in your so you can use inside your Claude Code. All right. So there's 2 ways to do this. Now, for those of you who are part of my paid community, all you have to do is go to the classroom section. It's very easy for you guys because you have access to the private repo. So you can just install it with one command. So you're going to go here, and don't worry if you're not part of my paid community, I'm going to show you how to access this for free as well. So if you're part of the paid community, you're going to head over to the buy and sell with Claude Code. And obviously you have access to all of the other builds as well. But this one is right at the bottom. It's called AI Real Estate Research Team. All you have to do is come to the bottom here, just copy this command. And since, again, you have access to the private repo, then just paste it, press enter, and it's going to download all of these commands for you. So you can see you have access to all of this stuff. Now, if you're not part of the paid community, let me put this down a little bit. All you have to do is head over to my free community, this AI Workshop Lite. Again, this is completely free. Link is going to be in the description. You're going to head over to the classroom section again, YouTube resources, under the Claude Code folder. And the bottom, you can see Real Estate AI Research Team. So you're going to click on these resources. This is a zip file. You're going to download this. My downloads folder. So there you go. All you have to do is double click on this. This is going to open up the folder. Double click on it again. Skills. And you have access to all of these sub skills that we just looked at, including the real estate analyze, like here, and the report PDF, everything else. So you're just going to copy this entire folder here. You're going to go back to your Visual Studio Code, and wherever you've opened this folder, all you have to do is just paste those folders in there, and it will automatically give you access to the commands. You're just going to click on a new instance of Claude Code, press the / command, type real estate, and you should have access to all of these different commands. It's literally that simple. And now you can run this on any property, depending on what you're trying to do. So let's say if you're trying to run a quick screen check or a quick market research, you can just basically type that command and run that on any property you want. And of course, you can do an entire analyze just like we walked through earlier, and it will do an entire analysis and give you a full report that you can generate for a particular property. If you're, whether you're looking to buy or you're looking to invest, this is a great way for you to have all of the data and have access to information very quickly instead of manually researching all this stuff, right? So go ahead and play around. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And obviously, if you're not part of my paid community, feel free to join. It's a great space. Again, I have an entire Claude Code course there, including multiple projects, how to sell, how to make money with Claude Code. We have multiple projects, and we have updates on a regular basis. We also have a course there that we help you launch your AI agency, from, sales to how to price your projects to discovery calls, everything else you need, including a day-to-day accountability program. So if you're a complete beginner, we show you exactly what to do on a day-to-day basis to launch your AI agency. And of course, if you get stuck anywhere, 100% tech support, my team and I will help you out if you get stuck anywhere. So feel free to join. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, because I've got a lot more content coming up that you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.